student. Today we are going to study about ACE inhibitors and its uses. So first of all, what is the meaning of ACE inhibitors? ACE inhibitors are also known as angiotensin converting enzymes inhibitors, and it is a drug used to treat hyperpressure and heart failure and may be prescribed after a heart attack. It lowers the blood pressure and increase blood to heart. So ACE inhibitors stop the body's ability to produce angiotensin 2. So what is the angiotensin 2? Angiotensin 2 is a natural substance that causes by blood vessels narrow contract. When the blood vessels narrow contract, then it is caused. When it is bind with receptor on the smooth muscle cells, it binds with the receptor on the smooth muscle then cell or arteries. Then ACE inhibitors allow artery to relax or expand, dilate, and also allow the blood to flow more easily. The dilations of the artery decrease blood pressures, which decrease the work of the heart. So the dilations of the artery also increase the supply of blood and oxygen to the heart and making the heart work more easily and efficiently. So mean to say that ACE inhibitors are high blood pressure drugs that widen or dilate the blood vessels to improve the amount of blood the heart pump and the lower blood pressure. ACE inhibitors also increase blood flow, which help to decrease the amount of work that your heart has to do and can help to protect your kidney from the effect of hypertension and diabetes. Let's talk about the uses of ACE inhibitors. ACE inhibitors are also used to treat a number of heart-related conditions, including high blood pressure, heart failure, heart attack, and preventing your kidney for the damaging associated with high blood pressures and diabetes. So it was all about the ACE inhibitors. If you like our video, subscribe it and share it with your friends. Allah Hafiz.